friends, this is Dr. Neha Taufin from Andhra Pradesh, and I have secured state second local category rank and 32nd state rank in NEET MDS 2018. So I would like to thank the entire team of PTBD Academy for helping me out during my preparation. A special thanks to Dr. Naveen Kumar sir also. So I was a regular intern during my preparation and I had no idea what to start for my preparation, with a big doubt whether I would be able to crack my entrance in the first attempt itself. And sir was always there with me. He always said yes you can, and today I have ended up with a decent rank in my NEET MDS 2018. So again I thank you so much sir. So friends, today I just want to share my experiences which I think might be helpful for you for your preparation. So first thing you need to understand is this PG preparation is completely different from your UG preparation. For example, if I give cephalosporins classification from pharmacology, we hardly remember 1 or 2 examples in a UG, whereas when it comes to PG you need to memorize everything. Either you should go through mnemonics or need to have repeated revision in order to revise all that thing. And other task that is bit challenging is the time management. If you are a regular intern, you hardly get around 4 hours for your preparation. If you are posted in clinical departments, generally on Mondays you don't have much time, whereas in other days I think you can spare 1 hour in the morning from like 9 to 10 o'clock, or in the evening this afternoon sessions from 2 to 4 o'clock, like that. And generally whoever starts a preparation in the beginning, they definitely have so much of energy, so they spend more amount of time. Later on they just degrade. It's not because they actually wanted to do, but by negligence, or you get irritated, so you tend to demotivate yourself. So because you see your friends are hanging out watching out movies and you're sitting here with lots of bulks of books, reading anatomy, some embryology topics, those topics which you never read in your UG itself. So you generally become irritated in that way. So better don't have that feeling. Whenever you get demotivated, take a break and then restart. Always remember your consistency is very much important for your preparation. So don't give up. Everything is going to settle down in a nice manner. So other question is, whatever books you have to follow, which books to follow, how to complete your syllabus and all, whether they should go through textbooks or not. So you should go in a smarter way. You should go through the textbooks as well as your MCQs, as well as your synopsis, all these things. Like if you given a subject like prosthodontics, it is generally a huge subject. It takes so much of time. So in that case, you go through your synopsis, multiple choice questions, and go through this textbook, whatever topic is left behind or which you have not read, or where you're feeling you're not confident. You just go through those topics from your textbooks and try to complete as much of syllabus as you can in the first phase itself. Like you are given oral path for 2 weeks, and you could actually calculate it's around 10 days to complete your oral path, and it's very much difficult to complete oral path in 10 days. So what can you do is try to complete 70% of it. Just leave around 2 to 3 topics. You can complete the 2 to 3 topics in a later session in your revision test or cumulative test, like that. So this revision is very much important. Try to increase your timing. If you have started your preparation from 2 hours, to slightly increase it to around 4 or like 14 hours, like that. So don't compare yourself with others, because today you might be having some highest mark, tomorrow you get low marks. So don't feel shy or don't feel this inferiority that your scores are degrading, nothing like that. The only thing that you should keep is you need to be persistent, you have to be consistent, that's it. And you should invest your time in good concept oriented topics. Don't waste time in solving those things that are not much important. So I can tell you that. And always better to have active group discussions with your friends, because active group discussions are definitely going to boost up your memory. They will energize you. These live sessions are very much important. So whenever you get time, try to attend those live sessions. I used to miss live sessions in the morning, so I used to attend them in the afternoon, lunchtime, or whenever I got some free time. So what ultimately I can tell you is, all your hard work is definitely going to turn out in success. So remember just one thing: replace all your excuses with your efforts, replace all your laziness with your determination, and everything else is going to fall in your place. So Before I sign off, I once again thank the PTBD Academy. I feel really fortunate to be a part of this portable dentist. So guys, all the best for your future. I hope you succeed very well in the coming up future. So signing off, yours Dr. Neha Taufin from Proud to be Dentist.